Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today in this video we have to draw 245 degree angle by using protractor. So constructing 245 degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. So first of all we have to draw a straight line of any length. So first drawing a line here. Next pointing out here to draw 245 degree angle on this point. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly, then counting the angles. So this is up to this is 180 degree. So but we have to draw 245 degree angle. So we have to add 65 degree angle with 180 degree. So putting the protractor by this way on the line, then adding 65 degree. So this is 180. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, and this is 65 degree. So by adding 65 degree with 180, then we can get 245 degree angle. So by joining this to get 245 degree, so we got 245 degree angle, and this is PQR. So this is angle PQR equal to 245 degree. So therefore angle PQR equal to, we can write 245 degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.